What going now? Yeah man, what up? Don't know a sunrise thing though. I say yeah man, I come from the kitchen there, though. Yeah man, going to some outdoor cooking style, is it? Yeah man, some red pimento would keep the fire burning. Don't know say, just throw some more water in it, but the peas that. Yeah man, peas are bubble. You see your thing set down? Yeah man. Oh, that see the pretty and sun the pretty same way. You know what thing set down. Me and me kitty. Yellow, what go on with them? Yeah man, up here say you don't know, you know I'm chicken this way, me I go season up. And I go season up my fish. Don't know I'm a coconut that way, me I go blend up same way and have some sour sap. Yeah, that I go make me juice. So me season them now. You know what thing set. Don't know a sunrise country kitchen, though. Osh. Yeah man, see it. Boss boy head car we live for killing. You see it? Yeah man, let me blend up the coconut now, you see it? Yeah man. Season up them here now. Yeah, see a boat out on the sea coast there. So I go on now. French fry chicken and fish over here, so I got French fry. Same way, you see it? Fire ya burn wicked and you know say drop on the next part right there, so you see it. Yes I. See it? Yeah, actually chicken sees up. I go flour it you know. So I go on over here, so you know. Yeah, you see it? Come back over here, you know things. See that? Yeah man, outside cooking a nice cooking. Food nice and food cook more fast and you know things set down. Yeah, see it there? And you don't know the rice in a pot this already to boiling to start boil up you know. Yeah, see how them look now? Yeah, I have to draw some of my fire card, you know, so the fire get hot. So, see rice there? Outside cooking, sunrise kitchen, you see it? Right now, I deal with the sour sap them now, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, see them there now? Chicken done, French fry. Yeah, sour sap them and I go juice. Make some gravy still, is it? I fish that now go fry next, but I make some gravy now, is it? Not bad man play. So I go and make some gravy now. Yeah, to get more juice, you know, I put the sour sap in a bucket. So I left him, make him go and soak. That's it. Yeah man. So I go and fire ketchup, gravy start bubble. Out I see the good. Yeah man, I see them come from man. See sour sap tree, yeah. See lizard I eat sour sap there. Yeah man. Ripe sour sap that lizard I eat. You see it? See them? Sour sap upon tree. See them there? Yeah man. See them? Yeah man, at them I deal with. Juice some sour sap in the sun there. You see it? Coconut tree, plum tree. You see it? Yes, you look there now. Yeah. Now strain them out there one thing. Yeah, actually I say go. But now they have to hold the camera for me, I have to do it myself, you see it? Yeah man, I saw a sap juice that strain and sweet and have in a one jug and you know the thing set down. Yeah, the chicken left here now so I go fry, you know what I mean? So that me I deal with. Buckle up this put in the fridge and you know the thing set down. Yeah, so I go on. Gravy look good. Actually them black something I want me fry up when I fry up the chicken. Like me the drop in scallion to fry up onion here I eat this you see it. But no worry about that, that I least, but otherwise so gravy look. Yeah man. Gravy up. Gravy take time and come down, you see it? You know what I mean? Yeah man, see rice there. Rice and peas up like one and warm to them. Yeah man. And see how I do it there. Country fire. With the pimento stick them, you see it? And the little yellow there, so hey! Yeah, actually see that, get 3 buckle out of put them in the fridge now, you know the thing set down. Yeah man. Yeah man, you see them? Then go and cool you know. Me how you rascal. Yeah, see it you know, my flour in you see it? Can't got pot you know. Put piece of pepper in him to go and fry, but see him there you know. Start fry, you see it? Fire under there bubble. You know the thing set.